Can you say awesome? I can. Stick around. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, 2 weeks ago, I said, I got another product to show you. That was very similar to the Volt Claw. Now, this is a Volt Claw, but this is a different kind of Volt Claw. So this particular one right here, I'm gonna tell you, in my opinion, if you are working and you are in a delicate situation, a starter bucket for sure, anything that has voltage all over the place and you can't turn it off, even though you should, right? We always should turn the breaker off. So even if you can't, sometimes you can't. Sometimes it is what it is. This piece of equipment is pretty awesome. Let's talk about what this does versus what the yellow Volt Claw lacks. Now, there is a difference. Now, this comes as a combo set. I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you decide to buy from my link, it could potentially make me some money, so check it out. But this particular item right here, I do have one negative thing to say about it. So I am gonna say something about it negative, so you have to stick around to find out. But other than that, let's jump right in here and show you why this thing shines over this by far. Now in my last video, or a last video that I did with this Volt Claw right here, because they're both Volt Claws, as you see, this one's a multi-gauge, and this one's just a, where it says 12 gauge. So with this one, I'm gonna show you what all the items do, so you don't have to say, man, I wish you'd have shown everything. So I'm gonna show you everything what this does. Now, this has a push feature, just like the other Volt Claw. All right, you can push the wires in there, so be it. You can get in there, you can push them around, do whatever you want. So really easy with that. You can push them like this, or you can push them like this. So either way, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about right here, so you can visually see, so there's no guessing what I'm talking about. So if you look at the end of this thing, if you look at it like this first, you can see how it's got a groove, like a V, like this, like a snake's tongue on the top. And also right here, it's got another one that goes this way. So what does that mean? If you want to hold it, so the orange is like this, you can grab your wires and you can push it. Now, multi-gauge. Now I'm not talking about a 4/0 or 250. I'm talking about these small wires, because this is obviously small. So you can grab it and you can push it, or you can turn it this way and you can push it. So either way, you know, you can go up on it, down on it. You can go up on it, you can go down, you can push this way, you can push this way. So it's got a great push feature on here. But where this thing excels, and this is what I would say is the selling feature for this if you're in a starter bucket. Believe me when I tell you this thing is worth its weight in gold for this item right here. Now watch what I'm doing with my finger. See that? You see this orange piece right here? It's on a slide. And what does that do? Come in here, panel, I'll show you. So obviously this panel is not hot. Went through that last video. It's not hot, but let's say you have to get one of these wires out of here, and I'm gonna pick one of these. I'm gonna pick the red one. Okay, where this thing shines at is this right here. Let's say I need to get this red wire out here, all right? I need to get that red wire, I need to be very cautious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my thumb right here and I'm gonna pull this down. Now watch this, it opens up. And what I can do, I can reach in here and I can grab it, all right? And I can clamp it. Now what I did is I just push my thumb up and I lock this wire into place. Hold on to it because it doesn't lock it, you know, because it'll stay closed, but if you're in a hot starter bucket or whatever the case may be, I would definitely put your thumb here and hold it, and then you pull the wire out. Now, it's not going nowhere because I've got it locked in, as you can see. It is completely locked. It's not gonna come out until I let go of it. So I'm gonna put it back in there, I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna push it back in. Now, once I get it in there, well, of course it's gonna spring back out, but I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna use the end of my pusher, and I'm gonna push it in there. I'm gonna just push it in, and I'm gonna do all my things. Now, that's all there is to it. If I want to get this black wire out, put it around there, grip it, pull it out, okay? Super easy, and then let go. And then once again, I can push it back in. I can push all these back in if I wanted to. So, super handy piece of equipment. This hooking mechanism is amazing. Very nice. All right, so we talked about what it does. Now let's talk about the length of it, because the other one was like 8 7/8, I think. How long is this? This is exactly 9 inches. So there you have it, 9 inches. Now, I did tell you that there was a drawback to this. Now, this is the only drawback that I have with this piece of equipment, and it's really the only one I have. And that is, I wish this was about 14 inches longer, or maybe they make one that extends. I'm telling you, sometimes you have to dig in these buckets or these PLC cabinets, and you need just a few more inches. So you know what that means. You need a longer one. But as far as I know, this is the only size they make, so maybe they can make a longer one. I do like the fact that it has the place where you can grip it. It has a great grip, just like the other one has, except this one has a little finger hook, so when you're pulling, it's not coming out of your hand. Whether you're sweaty, hot, whatever the case may be, cold, gloves on, you are not gonna let it go because it has this hook. It's gonna hold your finger and your hand in there perfectly. So the only drawback I have is I wish this was longer. Other than that, it is what it is, right? So I'm gonna leave a link down to this one, the Volt Claw. I don't know if they sell this one separate or not, but they do sell it in the 2-pack, and everybody likes 2-pack. So, having said that, if you want to see the first video of how to use the Volt Claw, check right here. That video will be coming up. There's 2 of them. Another one down here will be coming up. You can see both of them if you wanted to. You should, because that tells you what I think about it and tells you how to use it. So, guys, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, that bell notification, turn it to on, so all my videos you get. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.